Vision becoming blur is par for the course. The vision becoming blur is just you taking your eyes off the goal, so to speak. And that happens all the time because, the urgent things in life creep up on you. And when they do, then that blurs the vision. You get, drawn into a whole bunch of different rabbit holes that turn up in your life. However, and that is the exact reason why I keep talking of this space of silence that I have engaged in all my life. You want to keep your vision sharp, then make that space. Because the vision is inside you, not outside. What distracts you comes from outside. What drags you away is outside. And what will destroy you is outside. Now if you want to be inspired, look within. Make the time. Don't be afraid of yourself. That is the answer. I've never actually been at that point where I have been that much alone, where no one has been with me at my lowest point, so to speak. That has never happened because, for one thing, I've always believed in teams. I've always believed in working with others, and there's always been people who I've shared my vision with and worked with, and who have endured with me the various failings and failures that we have gone through. And at the very least, has always been my wife. She has been my partner, my friend, and many times my confidant and source of support, and my fan. So that has always been my saving grace, so to speak. And before that, like all of us, we have always had our mothers. So there's always someone thinking about you. If you actually think about it, there's always someone in your camp. There's always somebody in your corner. So the trick is to remember, not to forget them. And then always remember that at the end of the day, the fight is in you. So you got to find and defeat the devil within you first. Then the doors open.